Hi everybody, quick video. Lutron, we're a big Lutron distributor, actually a very big one.
Yeah.
They contacted us, they're running, Lutron is running a special Father's Day. Who would have thunk it? Father's Day special. And this particular package, and by the way, that's a way to buy Lutron, is in packages.
Yes.
Even as a contractor, you might end up with a piece or two you're not going to need now, but they're almost free.
They'll use it, yeah.
Yeah, you'll use it. So always try to buy in packages. We have the individual items, but try to buy in packages. Anyway, this package, which has a retail of $99.95, Lutron is offering it at $79.95.
What father wouldn't want that?
Yeah, starting today through Father's Day.
Right.
So you got basically a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got the stuff, we've got the expertise, and we won't be undersold on Lutron. So if you're one of these guys that's got to Google around for pricing, do that first. Call us.
Yeah.
We'll beat it.
We have all the kits too. If you want different parts and different pieces, we have everything that you could think of for Lutron. So not only the PBG kit here, the package 1 white, we have all of them. So if they want to expand, if you want to get started with this and then expand on your house, we have it all.
Let me make a suggestion. Don't worry about your customer. Get one of these for yourself and put it in and try it and play with it.
Right.
And you'll be just like Glenn and I, you'll be hooked. It is so cool. And you get you a little Echo or an Alexa and you say, Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights, and it really does work.
It creates a whole new world of lazy. So.
Yeah, it does. And I can turn all my lights off and on laying in bed. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so we've got it in stock. This kit special from Lutron, not from us, but from Lutron, $79.95. So call us up. Let's go.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks.